Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to make cream style corn. Last night we cut this corn off and kept it in the refrigerator because we were just too tired to go through all of it last night. So today we pulled the cover off and we're going to show you how to do that. You will need your corn, you'll need a measuring cup, and you'll need sugar. You're going to need some fresh bags of ice and some water and some freezer bags. You're going to need 16 cups of corn that's been cut off. And you're going to need 4.5 cups of ice water. You're going to need 5 tablespoons of salt, 2/3 cups of sugar, and mix all that together in one of these big pans or a big bowl and let it stand until the ice melts, and then you'll put it all together. So first thing, let's get our 16 cups of corn. Did you drop your bags? Mm-hmm. This measuring cup does 4 cups at a time. Okay, there's our 16 cups. Okay, next, after you get your 16 cups of corn, you need 4.5 cups of ice. So we need 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a half. So here's 4. There's 4, and here's a half. And this bowl is already measured out to 4.5. We're doing 2 at the same time. That way we can double up. Stir this in. If you want your ice to melt or turn into just cold water, it'll melt right in with your corn. Probably take us a little longer today because we let the corn stay in the refrigerator last night, so the corn's already cold. So it'll take a few minutes longer for it to melt. After you've got the ice in, you want 5 tablespoons of salt. 5 teaspoons of salt. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Okay, you want to help me hold this? Hold it over the corn. Okay, pour it out in the corn. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Now we'll do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After you got that, mix it up really good.
I want to make this time.
You want to mix that one?
Mm-hmm.
After you get that mixed up, you'll want to put in your sugar, which is going to be 2/3 a cup per bowl here. And we'll do that in just a minute as soon as we get this mixed up. There's a little piece of corn silk. Got it mixed up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the next step, we're going to add our sugar. And for this recipe, it calls for 2/3 of a cup. You want to put the sugar in? Just kind of pour it around out there. There you go. Did you get it all? You want to do this one? Just kind of pour it around in a circle. 2/3 cup of sugar, and again, that's 16 cups of corn. Mix all of that in together. Stir it up really good.
No, we don't do it.
Okay, let me get this spoon right here. And your ice is still in the process of melting, and that's where you're going to get a lot of that cream. After we get this mixed up, we'll finish letting the ice melt, and then we'll come back in just a few minutes and show you what it looks like when we put in the bags. Okay, our ice is melted, and we have nothing but cream and corn. Make sure your ice is completely melted before you put it in your bags. And then, of course, putting it in the bags is just easy. We got a big scoop, or you can use a measuring cup. Either one. Let's try a measuring cup one time. Measuring cups do pretty good.
Wait, don't take big of time.
And you want to get your bag about 3/4 of the way full. Well, depending on how many you're cooking for. If you're just doing it for yourself, you might want to use pints. But if you're fixing for a bunch of people, you'd want quarts. Just a little bit more in there. That'll be good. I try to push the air out as much as I can and make sure it's sealed. And that's all there is to it. Cream style corn, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do we make?
Cream style corn.
Cream style corn. This had 16 cups in one of these, so that's going to make about 4 quarts. Or if you're going to do pints, it'll make about 8 of them. But that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Say thanks.
Thanks for watching videos.
Thanks for watching our video.